Namaste, this is Sai Charan. A warm welcome to everyone to the release function of the first book in English on SPB Sir on the occasion of his 75th birthday. The title of the book is SPB, a multifaceted musical legend. And this is written by Sri Bhaskarani Satya Jagadish Garu and translated into English by Sri Bhupati Sainath Garu, Sri Bhupati Krishna Kumar Garu and Sri Chinepalli Sravan Srichand Garu. I feel so fortunate to have had an association with Sri SPB Sir and for also being a part of his world tour SPB 50. In fact, it is through his reality show Paduta Tega, we, Harini and I, found each other and became one with his blessings. We would be ever grateful to him for his love and support, and he would be there within us in the form of music for the rest of our lives. Now, we both would like to sing a popular Telugu duet sung by him along with Srimati Vani Jairam Garu for the film Pooja, composed by Sri Rajan Nagendra Garu.
ఎన్నెన్నో జన్మల బంధం నీది నాది ఎన్నిటికీ మాయని మమత నాది నీది ఒక్క క్షణం నిన్ను వీడి నేనుండలేను ఒక్క క్షణం ఈ విరహం నీ తాళలేను ఎన్నెన్నో జన్మల బంధం ఎన్నిటికీ మాయని మమత నాది నీది పున్నమి వెన్నెలలోన పొంగున కడలి నిన్నే చూసిన వేళ నిండును చెలిని ఎన్నెన్నో జన్మల బంధం నీది నాది ఎన్నటికీ మాయని మమత నాది నీది కోటి జన్మలకైనా కోరేదొకటే నీలో సగమయ్యప్పుడు నీవుండాలి నీవున్న వేళ ఆ స్వర్గ వేళ ఈ పొందుల వేళలందు ఉండని 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 ఎన్నెన్నో ఎన్నెన్నో జన్మల బంధం నీది నాది ఎన్నటికీ మాయని మమత నాది నీది ఒక్క క్షణం నేను వేడి నేనుండలేను ఆహాహా
Now, I request popular music director, singer, actor and director Sri R.P. Patnaik Garu, Sri Tanikela Bharani Garu to release the book and speak a few words.
Namaste, this is R.P. Patnaik. I'm extremely happy and privileged to release this particular book to the world today on the auspicious occasion of 75th birth anniversary of my Guruji, my mentor, S.P. Balasubramanian sir. This book titled SPB, a multifaceted musical legend. This book is written by my close friend B.S. Jagdish Garu, who has been a very prominent author. And today, in this book, I have gone through this. There are a lot of information what has not been shared by SPB sir with anyone else. But because of his long travel, Jagdish sir could get some great information from Balu sir, which is really something what we need to understand the greater side of SPB sir. And I wish all of you go through this and promote this book to the maximum. Thank you.
నమస్కారం. ఈ పుస్తకం బాలు గారి జన్మదినాన ఎస్పీబీ ఏ మల్టీఫేస్టెడ్ మ్యూజికల్ లెజెండ్, దీన్ని రచించిన వారు బిఎస్ జగదీష్, అంటే భాస్కరుని సత్య జగదీష్. గతంలో తెలుగులో రాశారు. దానికి ఒక విధంగా అనుసరణ అలాంటిది అనుకోవచ్చు. ఇది అంటే ఒక సాలీపులాక న్యాయంగా ఒక బాలుగారి జీవితం ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్, ఆయన స్నేహితులు, ఆయన పడ్డ కష్టాలు, ఆనందాలు, అవార్డ్స్ వగైరా చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్గా రాశాడు. గతంలో నేను దీనికి ముందు మాట కూడా రాశాను. ఇప్పుడు ఈ పుస్తకాన్ని నా చేత ఆవిష్కరింపజేయాలని జగదీష్ గారి ఆలోచన. శుభం భూయ శివోహం.
Next, we have an interesting AV about the secrets in SPB sir's life, which are discussed in this book.
An auspicious news to book lovers. Why did Balu come out during that period when COVID-19 started spreading its perilous tentacles? What happened to Balu after having undergone bariatric surgery? By meeting whom, Balu was perplexed on Nellore Trunk Road. Who is Sadhana Suchitra, who had captivating influence on Balu? Why did she serve liar notice on Balu? Who is Balu's son Arakona Rao? Balu can be termed not Rama but also Krishna. How? Which prominent actor imposed stipulations on Balu not to sing for other actors? Regarding which great singer had Balu outspokenly told that 90% of the actors to whom he lent his voice did not do justice to the songs? What was the petty squabble between Balu and Ilayaraja? Who was the neighboring girl who had enchanting influence on Balu? On which issue did Balu and Bharati Raja have differences of opinion? Which cricket team was captained by Balu? By producing which movie had Balu burnt his fingers? The only authenticated book which depicts interesting anecdotes in Balu's life history with exquisite pictures. I treat my effort as highly fruitful if the book contributes to engrossing and entertaining reading, with absorbing and stimulating episodes in SPB's life, with fascinating pictures glorifying his life.
Now, I request the author of the book, Sri Jagdish Garu, to speak a few words.
Namaskaram. This is B.S. Jagdish, writer of the book SPB, a multifaceted musical legend. Sripati Panditarajula Balasubramanian Garu had multifaceted dimensions. He was not only a singer of great renown, but also a music director, producer, dubbing artist, and an impressive anchor, and he conducted numerous musical nights marvelously all over the world. Such an outstandingly exceptional performer. After having been in warm and close intimacy with such an idealistic, noble-minded personality for many years, there sprouted in me a strong desire to write a book on Balu sir. I feel it as my responsibility to make the vital part of his existence widely known to a good number of people. The reason is that these days parents are particular about educating and equipping children to earn money. They forget to provide children with the essential ingredient of humanity, that is being good and doing good. Due to lack of cultured and civilized behavior, the present day youth are going away from the path. They must be made to work for the development of a nation. Since the sum and substance of SP Sir's utterances and life were aimed at the betterment of younger generation in the present measurable decline in character, SP Sir's words are of immense use to society. Hence, I have decided to write a book on Balu Sir. In this book, there are 3 parts I have dealt with. In the first part, SP Sir's life history. In the second part, songs of Balu Sir. And in the third, I have incorporated many interesting things not known to many people. I am presenting the translation of my book Mana Balu Katha into English language before avid readers on demand. I express my hearty thanks to Sri Bhupati Sainath Garu, Bhupati Krishna Kumar Garu and Chinepalli Shravan Srichand Garu for their help in bringing out translated edition of the book with the title SPB, a multifaceted musical legend. Translation is a tough exercise, like performing acrobatic feats on the edge of a knife, because they have to plumb into the depths of the writer's heart. I owe a deep debt of gratitude to this writer trio for having thoroughly understood the content and translated into English language in a readable and interesting manner. I convey my thanks to Sri Kalapatapu Lakshmi Prasad Garu, CMD Shubhodaya Infra Private Limited, for his kind cooperation and help extended to me in bringing out this book to light. Thank you all. Namaste.
Moving on, we have a special performance from a special person. He also is a very good friend of mine and is a part of SPB 50 World Tour. He is SPA, SP Abhishek, who is son of SPB Sir's own brother, Sri SP Jagadish Garu.
இளமை சுமையை மனம் தாங்கிக் கொள்ளுமோ, புலம்பும் மலையை கடல் மூடிக்கொள்ளுமோ, கொழிக்கும் மோர்கிளி கொதிக்கும் நீர்த்துளி, கொழிக்கும் மோர்கிளி கொதிக்கும் நீர்த்துளி, ஊதலான மார்கழி நீளமான ராத்திரி, நீ வந்து ஆதரி, மௌனமான நேரம் இளமனதில் என்ன பாரம், மௌனமான நேரம் இளமனதில் என்ன பாரம், மனதில் ஓசைகள் இதழில் மௌனங்கள், மனதில் ஓசைகள் இதழில் மௌனங்கள், ஏனென்று கேளுங்கள்.
Namaste, this is SP Abhishek. I am really honored to carry these 2 special letters SP in front of my name. It's still so hard to digest that he's not with us physically. We all miss you, Padranana. We love you. But I truly believe that you are with us, guiding us every moment. And I truly believe that. Thank you so much for everything, Pennana. Love you so much. SPB lives on.
Now, I would like to request famous music director and brand ambassador of Shubhodayam Group and also a person who had very long association and friendship with Sri SPB sir, Mr. Madhapedi Suresh Garu, to talk about the book and share his experiences with Balu sir.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ మాధవపెద్ది సురేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. నా చిరకాల మిత్రుడు భాస్కరుని సత్య జగదీష్ గారు, ఎస్పి బాలసుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు అంటే ఆయనకి చాలా అభిమానం. ఆయనకే కాదు, అందరికీ, ప్రపంచంలో ఉన్న ప్రజలందరికీ ఆయన అంటే చాలా ఆరాధ్య దైవం కింద చూస్తారు. సో ఆయన గురించిన వివరాలు సేకరించి బహుముఖ ప్రజ్ఞాశాలి బాలు అనే ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని రచించారు. పేరుకి సత్య జగదీష్ గారు పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో చేసిన రచన మీద ఆయనకి మక్కువ ఎక్కువ. మళ్ళీ కొంతకాలం తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఎస్పీబీ ఏ మల్టీ ఫేస్టెడ్ మ్యూజికల్ లెజెండ్ అనే పుస్తకాన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లో రచించడం జరిగింది. ఈ మొదటి పుస్తకం తెలుగులో రాసినప్పుడు బాలసుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారితో ఆయన ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వటం, మాట్లాడటం అనేది జరిగింది. ఈ రెండవ పుస్తకం ఆయన మరణానంతరం వచ్చే పుస్తకం ఈ పుస్తకం. ఈ రెండు పుస్తకాలు బహుళ ప్రజాదరణ పొందాలి. బాలసుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారి అభిమానులు అందరి ఇళ్లలో ఈ పుస్తకం ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను భగవంతుని ప్రార్థిస్తూ నా మిత్రుడు జగదీష్ గారికి అభినందనలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను.
I request Sri Vasurao Garu, senior most music director, son of Sri Saluri Rajeshwarrao Garu, and the person who had a long friendship of 48 years with SPB sir, to talk about this book.
எல்லாருக்கும் நமஸ்காரம். நம்ம பாலு சார் பற்றி பேசணும்னா அது ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆகும். எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் கூட அவரை பற்றி. புதுசாக பேசுகிறதுக்கு ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. எஸ்பி ஸ்பெஷல் பர்சன், சிம்பிள் பர்சன், சூப்பர் பர்சன், அது மாதிரி சொல்லிக்கிட்டே போய்கிட்டே இருக்கலாம். அவர் மாதிரி வேறு யாரும் பாட முடியாது, அவர் மாதிரி பாடுறதுக்கு யாரும் வர முடியாது. இதெல்லாம் எல்லாருக்கும் தெரிஞ்சது தான். பட் இன்றைக்கி நான் என்ன பேசணுன்னா, அவர் பிஎஸ் பிரகாஷ், பிஎஸ் ஜெகதீஷ் ஒரு புக் எழுதியிருக்கார். வெரி நைஸ். இங்கிலீஷில் எவ்வளோ அழகாக எழுதியிருக்காரு, எல்லாருக்கும் புரிகிற மாதிரி. அப்படி எழுதணுன்னா அது பாலு சாரோட ரொம்ப அசோசியேஷன் இருந்தால் தான் எழுத முடியும். சும்மா ஏதோ பாலு சாரை பற்றி படிச்சுட்டு இல்லைன்னா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு எழுதுனா வராது. அவர் ரொம்ப பழகியிருக்கார் நினைக்கிறேன் பாலு சாரோட. ரொம்ப நல்லா எழுதியிருக்காரு. நான் நிறைய பேர் கொடுத்தேன் அந்த புக்ஸ். அது எனக்கு அவன் ஒன்று கொடுத்தா நான் அது அப்படியே சர்க்குலேட் ஆகிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். நிறைய இடத்துல நிறைய விஐபிஸ் பார்த்தாங்க. நிறைய பேர் சொன்னது ஒன்று, ஒரு புக்கு எழுதுகிறாங்கன்னா அவரை பற்றி ஸ்பெஷலாக ஏதோ புகழ்ந்து ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுவாங்க. அப்படி இல்லாமல் ஃபேக்ட்ஸ் அபவுட் பாலசுப்ரமணியம், சிலது அவரை பற்றி தெரியாததெல்லாம் இந்த புக்கு படிக்கிறப்போ தெரியுதுன்னு தான் எல்லாரும் அவங்க ஒப்பீனியன் எனக்கு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இன்னும் அதர் லாங்குவேஜஸில் கூட அவர் எழுதி நல்லா எல்லாருக்கும் அந்த ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவ். இப்போது கூகுளில் போய் தட்டினா எஸ்பிபி என்ன வந்துடும், அது வேறு. இதுதான் உண்மை. அது மெக்கானிக்கலாக இருக்கும். நம்ம ஜெகதீஷ் எழுதுனது ரொம்ப கரெக்டாக நல்லா வந்திருக்கு. ஐ விஷ் ஹிம் இந்த புக்கு எல்லாரும் படிச்சுட்டு அவருக்கு நல்ல பேர் வரணும். இன்னும் நிறைய லாங்குவேஜில் அவர் எழுதணும்னு சொல்லிவிட்டு நான் ஆண்டவனை வேண்டிக்கிட்டு அகெயின் ஐ எம் ரிமெம்பரிங் பாலசுப்ரமணியம் அகெயின். தேங்க்யூ.
Now, I would like to present one of my favorite Hindi songs sung by Sri SPB sir. Now, I would like to request Sri Rahman Naushad Sahib Garu, son of renowned music director Sri Naushad Ali Sahib Garu, and also an actor, writer and director himself, to talk about the book.
I am Rahman Naushad, eldest son of Naushad Saab, and I am going to talk about my first encounter with great singer Mr. Mr. Bala Subramaniam Saab. Bala Subramaniam Saab, my first encounter was with him during the venture of my directorial movie Teri Payal Meri Geet, which was produced by Mr. Prem S. Lalwani, and Naushad Saab had composed the entire music for this film. It was great honor for me because Naushad Saab had composed music for my second directorial film, and also why I am saying great honor, because I had an opportunity to take services of Mr. Bala Subramaniam. It was a really great honor for me. Not only was a great singer, but a thorough gentleman. And now I am going to say something about the encounter. See, Mr. Naushad Saab was used to Muhammad Rafi Saab, and that time, unfortunately, Rafi Saab had already passed away. So Naushad Saab had composed this song, title song, Teri Payal Meri Geet, Tu Sargam Hai Main Sangeet. And it was in semi-classical. It was supposed to be in semi-classical song. And it was going to be picturized on Govinda Ji and Meenakshi Seshadri. And the casting was, big casting was there. Govinda Ji, Meenakshi Seshadri, Kader Khan, Shakti Kapoor Ji, and late Mr. Bharat Bhushan Saab, etc. etc. Now Naushad Saab used to ponder every day. He used to think that whom he should select for this semi-classical song. It was an 8-minute song, 8-minute item, dancing song, dancing Meenakshi Seshadri was supposed to dance. Pappu Khanna Saab used to supposed to do choreography, and Govinda Saab is supposed to sing that song on the set. Lavishly erected set it was. And Naushad Saab went on thinking whom he must select for this song. So Mr. Uttam Singh Ji, who worked with him for almost 37 years, right from my first film, My Friend, he joined 1973 till 2005, Akbar Khan Taj Mahal. And although he became independent music director after composing music for 20 odd films, and two big hit films he had composed, Dil To Pagal Hai and Ghadar, etc. etc. But he always respected Naushad Saab as an uncle. So, but he suggested, then he came with a suggestion that Naushad Saab, you try Mr. Bala Subramaniam for this song. Naushad Saab said, I never heard him. So Uttam Ji managed to, he had selected few songs of Bala Subramaniam Saab, and he made Naushad Saab listen to that song. So Naushad Saab immediately opted for him, and he said to Uttam Ji, make me talk to, arrange my talk with Mr. Bala Subramaniam. And when Naushad Saab spoke to him and offered him that he is going to sing for him if he is willing, so Bala Subramaniam Ji was overexcited, and he said, Naushad Saab, it is a great privilege and honor to me. You order me, when should I come to Bombay? But when the date was fixed for a recording in Bombay Lab Recording Center, but Uttam Ji, he spoke to Uttam Ji, Bala Subramaniam Ji, and he said, don't tell Naushad Saab, I have an overseas concert during those days, and I shall see that I will be back one day before recording of the film. You do one favor, you record the composition of Naushad Saab with wording of the song, and you give me dummy cassette, and I will go on rehearsing when I am abroad. And when Subramaniam Saab arrived one day before the recording, he had come to Bombay and he rang Naushad Saab. Naushad Saab, I am here, when should I come for rehearsal? So Naushad Saab said, it's already night, where were you all this time? He said, no, I had rehearsed the song, don't worry, I'll come, I'll be there on dot tomorrow morning. Then Uttamji said that he was abroad for concert. So Naushad Sahib got a little upset and he said, he must be tired. How he will manage to sing this song, 8-minute item? Then next morning, Balasubramaniam Sahib, very punctual, he arrived and the entire unit was there. Producer was there, Abrar Alvi Sahib, writer was there, dialogue writer, Minakshi ji was there, I was there, and the entire unit was there. And then Balasubramaniam Sahib stood up and he hugged Naushad Sahib and he said, I am ready, sir. So Naushad Sahib said, it seemed that you did not sleep last night. He said, yes, you are correct. I was rehearsing your song entire night. So he said, you do one thing. You take 2-3 hours nap. I'll start recording in the afternoon. Subramaniam immediately said at once, no, Mr. Naushad, I would request you to try a single take. I shall do my best and I shall satisfy you with one take. If I fail, then you do in two parts. It's my earnest request. So Naushad Sahib said, okay, Balasubramaniam Sahib, as you say, and the recording started. And to a great surprise for entire unit, Balasubramaniam Sahib sang the entire song in one take, single take. And at the end, everybody started applauding him and clapped. Everybody stood up. And Naushad Sahib went to Balasubramaniam Sahib and he was a bit nervous. He said, how Naushad Sahib? He thought that Naushad Sahib had come to request him for one more take. Naushad Sahib patted him and he praised him and he hugged him. And he said, Balasubramaniam ji, you have sung the song to the best, to the entire, I am thoroughly satisfied. I won't request you for another take. But Balasubramaniam Sahib went on saying, Naushad Sahib, if you are not satisfied, take one more take, take 2 more takes, 3, 4 takes, until you are satisfied, because you are used to retakes and all. So Naushad Sahib said, no, Balasubramaniam Sahib, I am thoroughly satisfied with your first take. It's okay for me and no more takes. So and he praised Balasubramaniam Sahib a lot. He hugged him, he even embraced him and kissed him, and he patted him a lot. And there were 2 other songs which Balasubramaniam Sahib sang very fluently. So this was my first encounter with Balasubramaniam Sahib. And when the film was released and the audio was released, Balasubramaniam Sahib bagged a prestigious award for singing a semi-classical song composed by Naushad Sahib, Sur Singar Samsad Award. And Naushad Sahib also got this award for the song. This was my experience and I consider myself very lucky, fortunate that this song sung by Balasubramaniam Sahib for my film, I think it was the greatest honor for me. I always cherish this sweet memory in my life, throughout my life. Thank you very much.
Now, I request Sri Amarnath Garu, who is one of the best friends of SPB sir, to talk about him and few words about this book.
ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు ఎందరో ಮಹಾನುಭಾವುಲು. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಮರ್ನಾಥ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SPB ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SPB ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪೆರಿಯವರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ದಿನ. ಈ ಸುಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಡಿರುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ಗೀತೆಯೊಂದನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಡಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪವಡಿಸು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಮನವೆಂಬ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಹೂವ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವಡಿಸು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಸಪ್ತಗಿರಿವಾಸ. ರಾಮನಿಗೆ ಕೌಸಲ್ಯ ಲಾಲಿ ಹಾಡಿದ ರೀತಿ, ಅನಸೂಯೆ ಜೋಗುಳವ ಹಾಡಿನಲಿದ ರೀತಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಪಾಡಿ ಪಾದ ಸೇವೆಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಪಾಡಿ ಪಾದ ಸೇವೆಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಧನ್ಯನಾಗುವೆನೆಂದು ಕರುಣಿಸೋ ದಯಮಾಡಿ. ಪವಡಿಸು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಮನವೆಂಬ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಹೂವ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವಡಿಸು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಸಪ್ತಗಿರಿವಾಸ. ಇರುಳು ಮುಗಿಯದೆ ಇರಲಿ ಹಗಲು ಮೂಡದೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಅನುಗಾಲ ಈ ಸೇವೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರಲಿ. ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅರಿತವನಲ್ಲ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯೂ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಅರಿತವನಲ್ಲ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯೂ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಣದೆ ಜೀವ ಕ್ಷಣಕಾಲ ನಿಲ್ಲದಯ್ಯ. ಪವಡಿಸು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಮನವೆಂಬ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಹೂವ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವಡಿಸು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಸಪ್ತಗಿರಿವಾಸ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಸಪ್ತಗಿರಿವಾಸ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಸಪ್ತಗಿರಿವಾಸ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thanks Amarnath Garu for singing such a beautiful song. Now I would like to request Chinmay Atre Garu to sing a Kannada song. Chinmay Atre Garu is a wonderful singer and was a winner in one of the competitions conducted by SPB sir. Let's listen to him.
Hi everyone, this is Chinmay Atres. Happy birthday to Dr. SPB sir. When I first met SPB sir, he told me that music was a language and music was a religion. Being his disciple, I've always tried to follow his path in music and as a human being. I'll be singing one of his most popular song in Kannada. This is from the movie Mahakshatriya, music and lyrics by Nada Brahma Hamsalika sir, and originally sung by Dr. SPB sir.
ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣು, ಈ ಬಾಳು ಸುಂದರ ನಗರಿ ನೀನಿದರ ಮೇಟಿ ಕಣು. ನಿಂತಾಗ ಬುಗುರಿಯ ಆಟ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಓಟ, ಕಾಲಾಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕಣ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣು. ಈ ಬಾಳು ಸುಂದರ ನಗರಿ ನೀನಿದರ ಮೇಟಿ ಕಣು. ಮರಿಬೇಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಋಣವ, ಮರಿಬೇಡ ತಂದೆಯ ಒಲವ, ಹಡೆದವರೇ ದೈವ ಕಣೋ. ಸುಖವಾದ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು, ಸರಿಯಾದ ದಾರಿಗೆ ನಡೆಸೋ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯೇ ಗುರುವು ಕಣೋ. ಮರೆತಾಗ ಜೀವನ ಪಾಠ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಚಾಟಿಯ ಏಟ, ಕಾಲಾಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕಣೋ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ, ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣೋ. ಈ ಬಾಳು ಸುಂದರ ನಗರಿ ನೀನಿದರ ಮೇಟಿ ಕಣೋ. ಮರಿಬೇಡ ಮಗುವಿನ ನಗುವ, ಕಳಿಬೇಡ ನಗುವಿನ ಸುಖವ, ಭರವಸೆಯೇ ಮಗುವು ಕಣೆ. ಕಳಬೇಡ ಕೊಲ್ಲಲು ಬೇಡ, ನೀ ಹಾಡು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಹಾಡ, ಜೀವನವೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕಣೋ. ನಿಂತಾಗ ಬುಗುರಿಯ ಆಟ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಓಟ, ಕಾಲಾಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕಣೋ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಬುಗುರಿ, ಆ ಶಿವನೇ ಚಾಟಿ ಕಣೋ. ಈ ಬಾಳು ಸುಂದರ ನಗರಿ ನೀನಿದರ ಮೇಟಿ ಕಣೋ.
Now, I would like to request Sri G.V. Murali Garu, who is one of the best friends of SPB sir, to talk about this book.
Namaste. I am G.V. Murali, a childhood friend of SPB. We were inseparable friends for more than 60 years. In our childhood, we started musical troupe in Nellore, giving small concerts. Then we were roommates for pursuing engineering at Madras. I worked as an assistant sound engineer in his recording theatre, Kodandapani Audio Labs, Chennai. After the closure of the studio, we were meeting casually and spent gratifying times. I am so fortunate to be a part of his musical journey throughout. Coming to the point, Sri Bhaskaran Satya Jagadish, a dedicated writer, die-hard fan of SPB, has authored a first book in English on the life of Padma Vibhushan Dr. S.P. Balasubramaniam, which is going to be released on the occasion of his birthday, 4/6/2021. He has published a book named Manabalu Kada in Telugu, which is successfully moving in the market. I hope this English version will receive a greater success, wishing that all his fans will relish the sequences in the book and have it in their respective library and hearts. Congratulations to Sri Jagadish Garu. All the best. God bless you.
Next, we have a performance from Sarath Santosh, who is one of the favorite singers to SPB sir. Sarath Santosh is popular in both Tamil as well as Telugu and is also a member of Ilayaraja sir's troupe. So let's enjoy his performance.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் சரத் சந்தோஷ். இசையுலகில் மாமேதை திரு எஸ்பி பாலசுப்ரமணியம் அவர்களின் பிறந்த நாளை முன்னிட்டு திரு ஜெகதீஷ் அவர்கள் எஸ்பிபி எ மல்டி ஃபேசட்டட் லெஜெண்ட் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு புத்தகத்தை வெளியிடுறாரு. சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து அவரோட இசையை கேட்டு வளர்ந்த எத்தனையோ பேரில் நானும் ஒருத்தன். அவரை எப்போ மீட் பண்ணாலும் ஏதோ ஒரு புது விஷயம் கற்றுன்னு தான் நான் வருவேன். அதுவே ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய பாக்கியமாக நினைக்கிறேன். அவர் எல்லா சிங்கர்ஸ்க்குமே ஒரு பெரிய என்சைக்ளோபீடியா. திரு ஜெகதீஷ் அவர்களுக்கு இந்த புத்தக வெளியீட்டு விழா சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம். ஆயிரம் மின்னல் போருருவாகி ஆயிழையாக வந்தவள் நீயே. ஆயிரம் மின்னல் ஓருருவாகி ஆயிழையாக வந்தவள் நீயே. அகத்தியன் போற்றும் அருந்தமிழ் நீயே. அருந்ததி போல பிறந்து வந்தாயே. நந்தா நீ என் நிலா நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பது சுகமே. நாணம் ஏனோ வா விழி மீனாடும் விழி மொழி தேனாடும் மொழி குழல் பூவாடும் குழல் எழில் நீயாடும் எழில் மின்னி வரும் சிலையில் மோகன கலையே. வண்ண வண்ண ஒளியே வானவரமுதே. ஆசை நெஞ்சில் தெய்வம் நீயே. ஆடி நிற்கும் தெய்வம் நீயே. பேசுகின்ற வீணை நீயே. கனிதழ முதினை வழங்கிட அருகினில் வா. நந்தா நீ என் நிலா நிலா நாயகன் மடியில் காண்பது சுகமே. நாணம் ஏனோ வா. இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் என்னையும் 4 வார்த்தை பகிர்ந்து கொள்ள கேட்டதில் எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
I request Sri Y.K. Murali Garu, who is one of the closest friends of SPB sir, to share his experiences with SPB sir and talk about this book.
Namaste. I am Y.K. Murali here. I am the most privileged and immensely proud to say that I am the fast friend of Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, the legendary singer. I am fortunate to have extended all possible help to the fulfillment of the effort made by Sri Jagadish Garu to publish a book on Balu. Sri Jagadish Garu requested me to help him with regards to the relevant material pertaining to Sri Balu, and having thoroughly understood the extent of his love and affection towards Balu, I have decided to help him. I have introduced him to the common friends of Balu and requested them to provide Jagadish Garu all relevant matters that are available with them besides the photos. I have seen to that he gets the valuable photos and information regarding Balu. No doubt he has faced many problems for bringing out this book, and he has interestingly explained everything in this book. The reader will come to know all these things when they go through the book. I heartily congratulate Sri Jagdish Garu on releasing this book on the birthday of Balu, that is on the June 4th.
Next, Harini and myself would be singing a Telugu popular song from the film Jagadeka Veerudu Atiloka Sundari, and this song is written by Veturi Sundar Ramurthy Garu, composed by Ilayaraja Garu and sung by Sri SPB Sir along with Srimati Janaki Garu.
నన్ను చేరుకున్న హృదయమా ఎదుట ఉన్న స్వర్గమా చెదిరిపోని స్వప్నమా కనులలోని కావ్యమా కౌగిలింత ప్రాణమా ప్రియతమా 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 పాటలొచ్చే తెలుగు తెలుగు అన్నీ కలిసి పారిజాతపు పచ్చి నల్లె మొక్క వలపి తెలిపే నాలో విరిసి మబ్బులన్నీ వీడిపోయి కలిసే నయనం తెలిసే హృదయం రాయలేని భాషలో ఎన్ని ప్రేమ లేఖలో ప్రియతమా నన్ను పలకరించు ప్రణయమా వచ్చి వేద మంత్రమాయ బహుశ మనస వాచ వలచి వేద కల్లే వచ్చి జాన కల్లే మారి కులము గుణము అన్ని కుదిరి నీవు లేని నేల మీద బ్రతుకే ప్రణయం మనసే మరణం అమృతాల విందులో ఎందుకిన్ని హద్దులో జగమేడు యుగ నిక్షణమై మిగిలి అతిథిలా నన్ను చేరుకున్న హృదయమా కనులలోని కావ్యమా కౌగిలింత ప్రాణమా ప్రియతమా 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 నన్ను చేరుకున్న హృదయమా.
Now, I would like to request Sri Koduru Ramurthy Garu, who is one of the best friends of SPB Sir, to talk about him and this book.
Namaste Jagadish Garu. Please accept my thanks and congratulations on the success and release of the book SPB, the multifaceted musical legend. It is more meaningful and more thoughtful title on the book, and it is been written in English. I think this is first time in English language on SPB. I think so. So it because it is in English, so our future generations, also the future younger generations and all that, they will take him as an Adarsh Purusha, and he will from this book they learn about that great man, his qualities and life. And as we all know that I was a very close associate with SPB, and I was very fortunate to in having his personal care as his own brother. We shared our thoughts, our thinking, and our attitude is similar, and also helping needy. And I learned a very big quality from him is egoless. So whatever we are in the world, without ego, so how to live and be living with others in harmony. So that is the greatest quality I learned from him. And another great quality is the value of friendship. To the friendship, whoever he selects, chooses as his friend, he's there everywhere, and he take care of them, and the friendship has no bounds, and he respects so much this thing. One has to learn how to be a good friend in this time, and moreover, his attitude and his thinking as similar as to me, and also how the greatest thing is his personality. At greater heights, there are so many instances between him and me, how his personality was great, why it is so great. So there are so many practical instances. Many of you might have experienced also about his individuality other than singing. So his devotion and dedication and the support what he has given to Sri Stamba Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple at Andhra Karnataka border, to which I am a trustee, and he was the honorary president, and enormous service he has done, and all his services are to be written in golden letters. So many things I can say, but there is no time to tell. And all the in the book, I think Jagadish might have covered all this, his qualities and his achievements and everything. And everyone has to read this book, and across the globe, not only in India, across every country, every Indian has to read his book and learn so much about him. So on the occasion of his SPB's birthday, I wish you all the success in releasing the book, the first one in English language, and congratulations again, Jagadish, and namaste to everyone.
I would like to thank everyone who have joined us for this event, and specially thank Sri Kalpatapu Lakshmi Prasad Garu, Shubhodayam Infra Group for his support. The guests Madhapedi Suresh Garu, Vasurav Garu, R.P. Patnaik Garu, Tanikala Bharani Garu, SPB Sir's dearest friends G.V. Murali Garu, Y.K. Murali Garu, Koduru Ramurthy Garu, Amarnath Garu, Rahman Naushad Sahib Garu, and all the singers who made the book release function a grand success. SPB Sir lives on.